Welcome to Overgo World, making your life better through tech, vacations and other great things. Remember to subscribe so that you don't miss out on our latest videos. Hi there, we're here today to talk about the Therabody RecoveryTherm Cube. So that's this product here. When I got this product, I thought this would be quite an innovative product because it gives you instant hot and cold therapy. It says for targeted pain relief. And I thought it'd be great, you know, if you're suffering from back issues, that you could kind of use this like an ice pack and a heat pack. The actual item, the actual product itself comes with two straps. The actual product itself, a USB-C charger, no plug, and then the actual case. So when you open this up, what you actually get in there is this. So you have the unit itself, it has the case which you can then attach to two straps. There's a long strap which is about 1 meter long and a shorter strap which is about 50 centimeters. This actual unit itself, if I grab my trusty ruler, the dimensions of it are about 11 centimeters by 7.5 centimeters, and the depth I would say is roughly just about 4.5 centimeters. So it's quite a small product this way, and it's intended to be able to give you that sort of relief as it sort of shows in the image here for hot or cold therapy. The actual product itself weighs about 430 grams, so not too heavy. And in terms of how it actually works, it's got the buttons on the top here. So for heat therapy, you press this, and when you hold it down, you can see the light comes on. If you want greater heat, you can do that. Hold it down, switches it off. If you want cold therapy, you press this. Again, you want it colder, you can go up to a max of 3 on that. Hold it down, that switches it off, and if you want it to alternate between heat and cold, you hold both of them down and that will alternate. You can see both of those are illuminated, and it will alternate between initially cold and then heat therapy. So when you think of the product like this, you may think, okay, that's a great product. And when you look at some of the stats in terms of the battery life, it's decent. It's probably about, for the cold and heat therapy, about 60 minutes for that contrast therapy. The manufacturer says you can get 120 minutes for if you just use it on heat or you just use it on cold, but I'm assuming that's if you're using it on setting 1. If you're using it on setting 3, you're probably more realistically only going to get about an hour for that. Now the actual heat, when you press those buttons on the top for the heat, they range from 35 degrees on the first mark to 39 to 43 on mark 3. On the cold, if you go again with those different marks for different levels, level 1 is 16 degrees centigrade, level 2 is 12 degrees centigrade, and level 3 is 8 degrees centigrade. When you're using the contrast therapy, the one that I showed with the heat and the cold on, that will last for 20 minutes. It will have the cold on for 8 degrees, and it will have the heat on at 43 degrees, which is the maximum settings. So that's why I'm saying that on the maximum settings, it lasts about an hour. Now, having used this product, would I recommend it? No, I wouldn't. And the reason why is the sort of, although it's compact in size here, it's bulky to actually sort of use, considering that if you're going to put it on your back or somewhere else, or if you want to put it on your knee, because of the thickness and the actual dimensions. But the real downside to this is the actual heating or cold element. So firstly, what you'll find is you will probably not use it with the strap because you're probably not going to get a comfortable position. It can be removed from the strap by just pulling it out, and then you can sort of pull it out, and that's what you've then got, and you can just sort of place this where you want to. But to me, this just looks like a very large ice cube. So it is not this entire area which actually heats up or cools down. It is only this blue area which you see, which is about 5.5 centimeters by, let's have a look at this, 6.5 centimeters. So it's only the actual blue area here which actually gets hot or cold. And if you're suffering from back pain, you know, you're probably going to want heat or cold across your back. And that's why I can't really recommend this product. And it comes in at £125. So although it's innovative because it does get cold, you know, immediately, it does get hot immediately, the actual area there, the surface area, is way too small. So let me show you a product which I have used in the past, which is this, much cheaper, just a cold and hot pack. It's by NextCare, and this is the Cold Hot Maxi. Comes in a number of different sizes, but you can just put this in the freezer to use as a cold pack. You can zap it in the microwave for 30 seconds to use it as a hot pack. I've had this product for many years. They still sell this product, and let me just show you the difference in dimensions so you get an idea. That's what you're getting. So this is the gel in here, and this is, as I say, this product, I've had it for many years at the moment, and they still sell it. It's about £15 as opposed to £125 for this. But when you just look at the surface area of what you're getting here, if you're suffering from back pain or knee pain, that's all you are getting for £125. With this, you are getting quite a large surface area. And the good thing about this is you can use it for both. You can use it for contrast therapy for heat and cold, because you can use this straight from the freezer as an ice pack, then you can zap it in the microwave to use it for heat. Or, considering the price, that this is only about £15, you can buy this on Amazon. You can get two of these. You could have one in the freezer, and then you could have one, you know, to just zap in the microwave straight away, so you can immediately use the cold and the hot if you wanted to. But as I say, the downfall of this product is the very small surface area. The other thing I would sort of suggest is, if you are suffering from back pain, you could get something like this for as a sort of a bit of an ice pack, cold pack. And then what I found particularly helpful are these wheat packs. So this is something which I also use. You zap it in the microwave for 2 to 3 minutes, and it gives you soothing heat. But again, when you're looking at this and you're comparing the surface area of that heat there to what you're going to get with that, you can start to see why this isn't really going to help you if you're suffering from, you know, back issues or other issues where you really do need, you know, heat on a surface which is going to cover your back. So although it's an innovative product, unfortunately, it isn't a product that I think I can recommend because of that size and also the price. Because these wheat packs you can get for about £20. The NextCare pack, which does the heat and the cold, you can get for about £15. For £125, this just simply isn't worth it. So save your money, get one of the other products instead. I hope you found that useful. Thanks. We hope you enjoyed watching this, so please feel free to hit the like button and remember to subscribe for great upcoming videos. Thank you, and see you next time.